First, we desire and then take steps to make the thoughts and anticipations possible according to our capacity. So the possibilities have been transformed into reality after we ourselves make us capable to do actions followed by our desires, and this statement helps us to predict the correct answers. As actions follow the desires, so they cannot be counterparts or analogs to each other, so we can eliminate choice E and choice F. Scions and progenies as choice B and D both directly mean descendant, which denotes that we make us capable of performing, and then a desire, which are totally absurd and irrelevant according to the realities. So choice B and D are incorrect to fill the blank. Precursors and forerunners as choice A and choice C both mean the opposite of choice B and choice D. They mean a person or thing that comes before another of the same kind, which merge the meaning of the prediction has done, and it reflects the realities where we do desire first, then actions come. That is, desires come before our actions. So the correct answers are choice A and choice C.